Hello friends, I hope you are all doing alright and enjoying the bull market. Most of you guys have commented and told me to create more trading strategy videos. So in today's video, I will share an easy and profitable intraday trading strategy with you. If you are new to day trading, and looking for a strategy to trade, you can really benefit from it. Let's start with our strategy. First, we will open up tradingview.com. Most of you guys know TradingView, but don't worry if it is your first time using it. I will show you everything step by step. First, we will select the pair we want to trade here. I will use this strategy for the Forex market, and stick with the Euro-USD pair, but you can also apply this strategy to stocks or crypto, or any other instrument you want to trade. I will use the 5-minute chart. This strategy performs better in lower time frames, so you can go with a 1-minute chart, as well as the 5 or 15-minute charts. Since we use short time frames, this strategy is suitable for intraday trading. After we select the time frame, I will click this indicators button here, and add the indicators we are going to use. First I will add the exponential moving average, which is also known as the EMA, and then we will also need the RSI indicator. These two are the indicators we want to use, and we will also use a candlestick pattern, and TradingView has got this cool feature, which helps us to identify the candlestick patterns. It is a really cool feature and it will make your job way easier while trading. You can really benefit from it, if you are a new trader. Even I sometimes use it, since it makes the chart easier to read. We will search for the bullish engulfing pattern and add it to our chart. And we will make some adjustments before we start trading. First, we will click the setting icon here right next to the EMA, and we will increase the length to 200. And then we will add a horizontal line on the RSI. The line will be at the 50 level exactly. We will make some adjustments for the bullish engulfing also. We will change detect from the SMA to no detection, and I will close labels, to clear the chart. Now we have got everything we need to start trading. Don't worry if the chart looks too complicated. I will explain everything step by step as I promised. And as usual, I will give you a cheat sheet to use while trading at the end of the video. If you have watched my older videos, you can guess what will we do with the exponential moving average. Similar to our other strategies, we will only look to go long if the price is above the 200 period EMA, and we will only look to go short if the price is below the EMA. The engulfing pattern will give us our entry signals, and we will use RSI for confirmation. Don't worry if you didn't understand anything. I will show you the strategy on examples. Before we dive into them, I will give you this summary of what we have added and changed on our chart. First, we set the time frame to 5 minutes. Keep in mind that other short time frames work as well. Second, we added the RSI indicator, and put a line on 50 level. Then we added the EMA, and set the length to 200. And last, we added the bullish engulfing pattern and changed detection to no detection. Feel free to stop the video, and take a screenshot. Here comes the best part now. I will show some examples, and hopefully, you will understand the strategy better. First, I will show you the long setup. Remember what I told you at the beginning of this video. We will go long, only if the price is above the 200 period EMA. To go long, we will wait for a bullish engulfing pattern to occur. Let me explain, what is a bullish engulfing pattern? Bullish engulfing pattern consists of 2 candles. This pattern starts with an bearish candle, followed by a bullish one. So in other words, it is one red candle, followed by a green candle. In order to be a bullish engulfing pattern, the green candle has to have a large body, which totally engulfs the body of the red candle. Don't worry if you didn't understand the pattern completely, because TradingView will tell us each time when a bullish engulfing pattern occurs. If you want to learn more about candlestick patterns, you can check my video about it. Okay, so now you know that we will open a position when an engulfing pattern occurs. But, we put a line on the RSI indicator for a reason. RSI will give us a confirmation for the trade. While going long, we will check if the RSI is higher than 50. You can check the number, here right next to RSI. I think we are ready for our first example. You can see that, the bullish engulfing pattern has occurred, and the price is above the exponential moving average. So, we have our entry signal. Before opening the position we must check the RSI. And the RSI is above 50, so this trade is good to go. We will open a position at the close of this candle. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that, we will never open a position without a stop loss. For this strategy, our stop loss will be just a little below the low of this candle. And our risk-reward ratio will be 2. It means that our take-profit target will be 2 times more than our stop loss point. So we will risk 1R to make 2R. As you see, this trade was a winner. Let's look for another one. In this example, the bullish engulfing has occurred and the price is higher than the 200 EMA, but we cannot enter this trade because RSI is below 50. So we will skip this one, and look for another trade. Here, we have a possible entry. We have the engulfing pattern, the price is higher than the EMA, and the RSI is higher than 50. So we will open a position at the close of the second candle of the pattern, with the risk-reward ratio of 2. We will put the stop loss just below the low of the candle. And as you see, this trade was a winner also. Right next to this one, we have another possible entry too. RSI is high enough, we have the pattern, and the price is good to go. So I will open a position here too. But, this trade was not a winner, like the first two trades. That is why we always use risk management. Trading is all about probability. Since our risk-reward ratio is 2, we will be still profitable, even if half of our trades are losers. Before I reveal the cheat sheet for this strategy, I want to show you a short setup too. Because we need to make some changes for the short setup. First, we are going to get rid of the bullish engulfing pattern. Because it was a bullish pattern. And we will use the bearish engulfing pattern for the short entry. Bearish engulfing is the exact opposite of the bullish one. In this pattern, the first candle is green and the second one is red. And just like the bullish one, the second candle totally engulfs the first one. And just like the long setup, engulfing pattern will give us the entry signals. We will open a position if only the price is below the EMA. But this time we want the RSI below the line we draw. So we will sell, only if the RSI is below 50. Let me show you an example. You can see a clear downtrend here, and the price is below the EMA, so we will look for short entries. You can see that an engulfing pattern has occurred here, but we will not open a position here. Because RSI is higher than 50, so we will skip the first possible entry. And we have another entry signal, but this time, RSI is below 50. So this one is good to go. I will open a position at the close of the second candle. Our stop loss will be just above the second candle this time, and the risk-reward ratio will be 2. This trade was also a winner. I believe. It is time to share the cheat sheet I promised during the video. Feel free to pause, and take a screenshot. Please remember that, before using any strategy, you should backtest it at least 100 times. And while backtesting, you might find ways to improve strategies. Because even if I try to share profitable strategies with you, every strategy can be improved. So please test strategies before trying them out with real money. I hope that I could explain the strategy well, and you understood it perfectly. But if you have any questions, feel free to shoot them up in the comments. Please leave a thumbs up if you find this video useful. And please feel free to share your trade